Reunoa Serum is marketed as a powerful skincare solution that supposedly repairs damaged skin, reduces wrinkles, boosts collagen, and restores a youthful glow. But the real question is, does it actually repair your skin, or is it another overhyped beauty serum? Now, to be fair, many skincare serums can genuinely improve how skin looks and feels. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptides, retinol, and vitamin C do have legitimate cosmetic benefits when formulated properly. What it does well may improve hydration and smoothness. Good serums can help skin feel softer, more moisturized, and temporarily plumper. Certain ingredients may support skin appearance. Retinol, peptide, and antioxidants are widely used in anti-aging skincare for a reason. Where the hype falls apart, it will not literally repair damaged skin overnight. This is the biggest issue. Cosmetic skincare products cannot completely reverse aging, scars, or major skin damage the way ads often imply. Results are usually gradual and subtle. Real skincare improvements typically take weeks or months of consistent use. The marketing often exaggerates collagen claims. Many serums mention boosting collagen dramatically without strong evidence for major visible transformation. So, does Reunoa Serum actually repair your skin? Short answer: it may improve skin appearance somewhat, but not nearly as dramatically as advertised. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.